It is my pleasure this morning to host Baptiste Jourdan, Revenue Officer of Toucan, and Franck Deveau, VP EMEA for Frikit. Bonjour. It so happens that both your solutions are at the core of the promise of digital with a very human-centric interface, right? So how, in the case of Toucan, is it helping and fostering appetite for data and data usage? And in the case of Frikit, how is it helping your clients' sales performance? Let's start with you, Baptiste.
I will start. Thank you, Lucia. Yes, so, in the market of analytics, it's booming. This year, it's $300 billion will be invested into analytics solution. But at the end, the rate of usage of the data on a day-to-day by business users is less than 25%. It's the Gartner and the Forresters who explain that, self-services approach, BI tools are too much complicated for being used on a day-to-day. Take an example. A CEO of a big company, a big luxury brand, for example. Even if he knows how to use a BI tool, he doesn't want to open a laptop, then click on many filters in order to get the data that he wants. What he would dream of is to have on a mobile a notification about something happened, and this is the right time to make the good decision at the right moment. So with Toucan, we started 8 years ago to democratize the access of the data by providing a customer-facing analytics solution, which is fostering everything around 3 main pillars, UX and UI, which means that without any training, you are able to use and play with Toucan. And so you will understand the data for the first time and how to use it. Second thing is it has to be everywhere. So meaning that with Toucan, you can deploy on mobile, laptop, and even on your proper interface like extranet for your client or for your supplier, or even for giving to citizens. If you are like a big city, you want to communicate data to your citizen, you can use Toucan. And then making the data actionable, which means that you can notify, you can ping people, you can chat with them into the dashboard. So at the end, we are already, focusing our R&D in the last kilometer of the data, meaning that democratize the access with the data storytelling approach. And we do that for the big population of our clients who are not, the good user of BI tool, people on factories, people like salespeople on the field who needs mobility. And then, for example, for C-level. And this is where we are shining, for example, with our partnership with Capgemini, because we do have many clients together.
We'll discuss about that in a few minutes. So, Franck, on e-commerce, but not only, how is Frikit helping?
So we provide magical visual experiences at scale on all channels. And the premise and the rationale for doing that is very simple. Consumers today are very frustrated because 70% of the experiences are not personalized. The brain is very visual. We process visual information 60,000 times faster than text, which you're probably seeing, in the change that you drive. Yet, I'm on an e-commerce website. The PDP is very often generic. I get an email for a waiting ceremony or after a purchase, no image available or generic image. I'm talking to customer service. Again, it's a very bland, non-visual experience. And I could continue with, marketing interactions, social store. Of course, the store is becoming an experience center with limited inventory. Yet what do you see? Do you call a courier to get another product that's not exactly the one you're looking for to be delivered 2 hours later? Those are things of the past, right? So customers need to feel the product before they buy. That's the first thing. And that applies also to the sales associate or the client advisors. Dior is showing on the LVMH stand an augmented sales advisor, client advisor journey, empowering their sales team with the right tools to show all the incredible know-how, all the product variations to the customers. So whether you're online with Ralph Lauren, Louis Vuitton, Alinea, Yellow Corner, with the next gen personalized visual experience, or whether you're in store and Dior and Wait and See are doing testimonies, you need to show the product, feel it, see it.
In a seamless way.
In a seamless way. And that's a very human-centric experience, of course, which we're enabling with Capgemini, but I know we'll come back to that later.